at 4:09. It's probably like 2 degrees right now. Emergency.
Thank you.
It's really cold.
And I already forgot my wallet, and all I have is my debit card for tonight until my mom comes to the city for work tomorrow.
You look like your mom.
But thank God for Sydney.
So, yeah. Oh, there's our train right there.
What's on our train?
4:09 Lansdale,
That's ours.
I think. We don't really know how a train works. It's like really cold right now. So yeah.
Oh, and I forgot my retainer, but don't worry, my mom's
yeah.
bringing it tomorrow.
Yeah, okay, bye guys. I got it. My hands are freezing. So right now we're just doing an update. The train is 9 minutes away. So it's 10 minutes away. We've been out here for like 10 minutes. In the freezing cold. Sydney put on some sweatpants.
I put on my gloves, and I just
Like
thought I
other
would
bands.
tell you.
Hey guys. So what? Do what? No. We just waited on the train. I'm with Sid, and there's Rio. Sydney's eating baby goldfish. Baby goldfish. And we're probably gonna stop at the Villanova station soon and see our fellow Ilmuncers. But it should be really fun. We're gonna vlog the whole time. Get some content. Bye. So exciting. So that's them. There's the other Ilmuncers. Ilmunc ASMR. So they're getting their ticket right now. It's really exciting and can't wait. Hey guys! We're in Jefferson Station. So we're about to go to the Marriott and go to our
really good in here.
None of us are really travel savvy,
We're going to the
so
convention center, so we just keep going straight.
Okay,
I'm really excited to go outside because it feels like zero.
yes.
outside.
And me and Maddie have a little bit of a predicament. We kind of like didn't print out our position paper, which is kind of bad.
Sydney printed out yours, so
So
now we have to handwrite
So
ours.
yeah, so now we already have to handwrite ours just real quick. So see you later. I'm getting really tired.
Hold for 3 seconds, said you got it. I think.
Okay, that really helped.
Welcome to our crib.
Guys, we'll be right
Partners
back.
can share beds.
Do a
Okay.
room tour while we're gone.
Hey ladies.
Can we give them an OOTD?
Wait, is that you or me?
Oh yes, we could do each. It's on.
You go
Wait,
first.
Okay, Maddie goes
Somebody
first.
have to put this on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Okay, no one's ready. So
So I got this blazer. It's black from TJ Maxx.
okay.
Make sure everyone sees
Slay.
that.
Oh my god, I love your earrings.
I got this shirt from my mom's closet.
Mhm.
Don't know where it's from.
Uh huh.
These pants.
Mhm.
J. Crew.
Slay.
Shoes are Sam Edelman flats.
Okay.
These are from Manville. I got them for Christmas.
And
Slay.
your necklace?
I'm not wearing my necklace.
Oh. What's her
Okay.
apology?
Who's next?
Hi, my name is Rhea. In case you didn't know me.
Yeah.
This is my OOTD.
Yes.
All my pants are from Macy's. My blazer is from Macy's. My shirt is from Macy's. My necklace.
Okay, we stand.
Wait, I need to zoom in on the necklace.
Alex got this for me. It's from
Urban Outfitters.
Okay.
and my shoes are Steve Madden.
Sid. Hey.
Maybe
I'm
I'll
Sydney.
put on this one.
This is my outfit of the day. These shoes.
OOTN.
O
Because it's
Outfit
nighttime.
of the night.
OOTN.
Yes.
My shoes. I don't know where they're from.
Mhm.
My pants are from Vineyard Vines.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
My shirt. I don't know where it's from. And this blazer is from a boutique. In
So you
Maine.
can get
I
blind.
don't know what
Wait,
it's
do my
called.
shoes look
My
weird?
necklace.
No.
I wouldn't know.
Okay.
My necklace is from Anthropology.
Mm-hmm.
My ring is from Spain.
Let me get a
Okay,
zoom on that.
okay.
Do that again. Do that again.
Guys.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. That was our OOTN. And we'll see you later. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.
I was just talking about my soulmate that I met.
So we're on our way to 10. We're taking a tour. It's gonna be so fun.
Oh wait, it's okay.
Call me Mads.
Call me
I'm no longer Maddie, it's Mads. Jay.
Where are we going? Where are we going? Commentate.
Okay, so right now we're on a school bus and we're outside the Philadelphia Marriott downtown way, and we're starting to drive towards Penn.
Actually, there's a heater right here.
No, it's so warm. We're about to go on the Penn tour. We're really excited.
Peace out.
Hey guys! So right now we're here to head. We're exactly the same right now. Maddie almost slipped. I sounded like a dog that got kicked. Yeah, she literally like yelped so like loud. It was like.
Oh, we saw a guy who looks
coming
exactly
to your
like
job.
Sophia.
Ow!
Julia.
Someone stepped on me. Okay, I'm gonna go bye. That was so cute. Wait. Hey guys. So we just made it inside. I was like walking, and it was so much snow, and like a tear was like forming, and I swear it was like freezing. Trying to find some sweatshirts. They're really expensive, but it's worth it. I might want to get a shirt too, but I'm not sure. I really want to get a sweatshirt. There's everyone else. They probably don't see me. Okay, so yeah. Honey Grow. That's mine. That's Julia's. That is Sydney's. I think Ria's going back soon to get hers. It is so good. Like,
Wait, hi.
wait, here, show them yours.
Okay, wait. Okay. How do I'm in such a good. This is mine.
I think I got it. Hey, so now we're back in our hotel.
Hi.
Look at this snow.
It's crazy.
It's like a small blizzard, kind of.
Yeah.
It's a blizzard.
But it's just been snowing all day.
It's
Yeah.
been freezing.
This lighting is so good. Okay, so we'll probably insert some pictures like now. Okay, anyway.
Stop it.
They were really cute.
We had
They're
very,
so cute.
we had really good honey grow too.
Yeah. Oh my god, we had so
10 out of
such
10
good honey
would
brown.
recommend it.
Looks like I'm wearing black on black.
It looks great.
Should we do another OOTD with this really good lighting?
I'm not,
Okay.
I'm not ready yet.
I'll
though.
do. Oh, okay. We'll do it like
Pause
once
it and
everyone's
then do
ready.
it.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
then
So we'll get back.
to put on my shoe.
Look at this lighting. Like, can we appreciate this? Okay, slay.
So
Okay.
my shoes are the same as yesterday.
Okay.
My jacket is from Macy's. My pants are from Ann Taylor, I think. My mom got them.
that place.
Did you really?
shirts from there.
And my shirt is from a store in India.
Okay, international. Okay, who wants to go next? I'll just do myself. I don't know if you can see, but I'm wearing this this white sweater I got from H&M, and then I'm wearing these pants also from H&M. Just had a huge H&M like shopping spree, and then I think I'm wearing same shoes as I wear today because those are the only shoes I brought. So we'll film more, I guess. Oh my god, why is it so dark?
Okay,
Is it started? Is it already started? Yes.
so my shoes are the same as yesterday.
Okay.
My pants
Okay.
are the blue version of what I wore yesterday from J. Crew.
Mhm.
The
My mom
shirt
J. Crew. Yes.
is from Ann Taylor and it's my mom's. Watch. Same as
Oh.
yesterday. Earrings.
Oh.
Same as yesterday. Necklace. My mom gave this to me for my birthday last year.
Pretty. Swag. Swag. All right, Sid, your turn.
I'm not done yet. Oh no.
Where's my hairbrush?
There's the creator of Penn.
There it is.
Future college.
Shit.
Oh, it's my OOTD.
So I have my shirt.
Oh,
Is-
okay, start up there.
Okay. Oh, I can start with my shoes. I'll start
No,
with
it's okay. We can start with you.
Okay, you just go. Okay.
my shirt is from Lucky, and then my pants are Ann Taylor. My shoes are the same ones I wore yesterday. They are from an unknown store. It's a hair tie. My necklace is from, I don't know, but I love it. I've had it for a while. And my...
Oh, she told us to wear
That's
our
it.
Egypt pins.
Oh, okay, then never mind.
Yeah, that's it.
All right. Peace.
3620.
I got places to be and things to do. Hey guys, so right now we're
I'm
at
so
Hard
stressed
Rock.
out right now.
We're at Hard Rock Cafe. Maddie's really stressed.
We're gonna get to the 22nd floor and get our photos.
I say.
We're gonna have to okay, I think that maybe one person from each duo pays, and the other person goes into the hotel and grabs our stuff while we're paying.
Okay, yes.
Hey, vlog.
We just finished our second session.
So we're climbing 18 floors of stairs.
Floor 11. We have 11 more to go.
It's not the move.
And we have
The freaking elevators just don't work.
I know.
It's all for the vlog.
We need that con. We need that content. I'm falling behind. Goodbye. Quick it up. Quick it up.
What was his name?
Quick it up. That was so intense.
Like whiplash or something from that.
Like that video where the beach was like.
Oh my god. All right. Peace out.
Hey, vlog.
It's day 3 of Ilmunc, Molly, and whatever. Everyone's getting changed there, getting ready.
I did a little like how unhappy I am that Cinnabon
But we
was
went to-
gone.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
It opens
Right
at
now?
10.
Are you serious? But like we don't even know where it is. So we were trying to find Cinnamon. It's nowhere to be found.
I'm confused.
I'm so annoyed.
I'm really sad. I really wanted Cinnabon. I've never been there before, so I was really looking forward to it.
They had one in Orlando.
And now I have to go to Dunkin' Donuts, and I don't even want Dunkin' Donuts. Like, when am I even gonna get here? Bye.
We were gonna go to Cinnabon. First of all, we couldn't find it. Second of all, it was closed anyways. So we went to Dunkin', did a Dunkin' run,
This is like the worst I've looked all week.
and it's about like almost. It's like 9:54. Sydney and Rhea have to go down at 10 to meet with their block partner people, and then the actual thing starts at like 10:30. This one is a 3-hour session, and then we have 3 hours, and then we have a 1.5 hour lunch break. So we're gonna go to Reading Terminal and go to Burger Place. And then at like 3, we have a 4-hour session. 4 hours. And then tonight we have the delegate dance, which is gonna be pretty wild. Last night at the Delegate Fest, it was pretty crazy. And yeah. Peace. We're rolling.
Hi guys. We just finished eating at Honey Grove. It was really stressful because we went to Reading Terminal Market and it was really crowded and Sydney was getting claustrophobic and there was nowhere to get food. So now we're here for the second day in a row.
Yes.
Love that for us.
I spiced it up today.
All right.
Hey guys, so we got
Hey guys.
We just finished our last committee.
Yeah, we just finished
And
our
it was
last
like
session.
a fun committee.
Yeah, we did
Talent show.
the talent show, and then we did like superlatives.
Relatives. And then our chairs chugged like a gallon of water. And then they did a rap battle.
So we're pretty sad.
Yeah, I complained about it a lot, but the last day made it fun.
Yeah,
So,
gonna miss
It's all
Zach and
worth
Aiden.
it.
They were
I'm gonna
funny.
miss quirky Aiden.
Yeah, Aiden was so quirky. Yeah, he always went like this, and he went
loved the
like
Avengers.
oh Kurt a lot.
So quirky and relatable.
Oh, I think those are our team or whatever.
Chica.
Hey guys, we're vlogging.
What's up?
I haven't seen you guys in a year.
I'm sad.
It's not like it's only been an hour.
How was your last committee?
It was fun.
Good. We did it like our chairs did a rap battle.
Same.
Then they chugged some water. Oh
Oh,
wow.
ours was like on the spot.
Yeah.
Wow.
Freestyle, whatever. All right. Bye.
That's $6 I've ever spent in my life. Go Egypt, life. Can I wave it?
Be proud. Hey guys. So we're at opening ceremony. Closing ceremony. Sorry.
Hello, ladies.
Care.
We're at closing ceremony.
We're at the closing
Really excited.
Stop! Who's scooching my head?
It's both of us. We were both like, I was like this, and Maddie was like this. You did it the double dance.
Hey guys, say hi.
Okay. Hi. Hi.
Roar.
This is for you, Aiden.
I love Aiden.